Friday, February 8th, 2019. The divide is pummeled. A lot of snow up there. Lots of snow. That's just about 15 miles away. That's much closer to Squaretop, this ridge here. But it's very cold and a lot of snow there. You can see where the snow cutoff line is. That's right around 9,500, 10,000. That change in extreme cold and snow is right around 10,000. That's the hoodoo zone. And that's Nipple Mountain back there. Pretty famous spot. See how tight we can get that in. Gremlin's out here taking a poop in someone's yard. Nipple Mountain is 12,000 and a half. There she is. Back from her duty, literally. It's really nice up there. So that's Frank Oppenheimer's parcel there. Down in the valley where it's not white, that's all of Oppenheimer Ranch. It was -7 today out in the greenhouse, coldest day of the year. Usually happens in the first few weeks of February. So nothing odd about that. It's cold up there. Sun's setting, temperatures plummeting. And the gremlin's getting restless. Well, I hope you enjoyed the view. Thanks for watching. Oh, be safe. We love you. And we're back. So that's the cabin that we're renting. Squaretop. Give you a different perspective here. A little closer to the divide. Here's the nipple. My fingers are freezing. But imagine if you're up there. Holy macaroni. All right. Thought I'd give you a second blast. Be safe. Almost home.